7 Sigma off grid.
Hi guys, so in preparation for the tank to come in for our temporary water until we can get a well very soon, the boys are going to actually do some weed whacking on the side of the house. And then the next thing that the boys are going to do, because I have 2 boys today, so the next thing they're going to do is get rid of the rocks in that circular driveway area so that we can prepare that as well. And actually that's for me, because I asked for those rocks to be moved so that I can put possibly a hammock there. I was thinking about putting a hammock and a bench there. Let's see what they're gonna do. All right, bye. So one of the challenges is trying to figure out a temporary solution in regards to water in tanks until we are able to get a well. So we are looking at possibly having a tank, and what they're doing right now is looking at where to possibly put a tank. So we're thinking about putting the tank up here on this hill where the gravity will help with the water flowage down to the house. So, or we were thinking about putting it right there on the side of the house that also has a little slope going down where gravity will help. But this slope is actually probably better because it is a steeper hill, and so the gravity will help the water flow. And Anu is upset because he can't be up there with them. He want to be with the boys. He can't even get back down the hill. Are you scooting backwards? He is walking backwards down the hill. What is that, old man walk? Don't be mad. And they're off. So right now where he is actually doing the weed whacking is where we're going to put a temporary tank for us to use water until we can get a well. And my husband decided to give up on the tractor and do it manually. And he's having fun, as you can see, throwing rocks. Boys will be boys. So that's the after. He cleared out the space for the tank. Yay! So that rock, these 2 right here, and that one, and he got it. Just because you couldn't get it the first or on the second try, you keep trying until you get it.
We did do a good job cleaning that out. Some branches. Pretty nice area. I'm gonna figure out all this. Takes some work. It's all good though. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Seven Sigma off grid.